We long to travel, to escape the mundane, to chase adventure, but what are we truly seeking? Is it merely the thrill of a new destination or something deeper? Travel at its core is a journey inward. It's about encountering new cultures, yes, but also about encountering ourselves. In unfamiliar landscapes, stripped of our routines, we confront different facets of ourselves. We discover hidden strengths, confront vulnerabilities, and gain fresh perspectives. This journey of self-discovery is what elevates travel from mere sightseeing to a transformative experience. It's about connecting with the soul of a place, not just ticking off landmarks. It's about embracing the unknown, both externally and internally. This is the essence of meaningful travel, the art of finding ourselves in unfamiliar lands. Mindful travel begins with a shift in perspective. It's about approaching each journey with curiosity, openness, and a willingness to learn. It's about shedding preconceived notions and embracing the unexpected. Imagine wandering through a bustling market, not just as an observer but as a participant. Inhale the exotic aromas, engage with the vendors, and savor the unfamiliar flavors. This is mindful travel in action. It's about slowing down, observing the details, and allowing ourselves to be fully present in each moment. It's about connecting with locals, understanding their stories, and appreciating the beauty of cultural diversity. This mindful approach transforms our journeys into profound experiences, leaving us forever changed by the encounters and discoveries we make along the way. Alain de Botton, in his insightful book, The Art of Travel, eloquently captures the essence of this transformative journey. He reminds us that travel is not just about the destination but about the journey itself. De Botton encourages us to approach travel with a sense of curiosity and wonder, to seek out experiences that challenge our perspectives and broaden our horizons. He reminds us that the true value of travel lies not in the souvenirs we collect, but in the memories we create and the lessons we learn. He encourages us to embrace the unexpected detours, the moments of serendipity that often lead to the most profound discoveries. By embracing the art of travel, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, finding meaning and purpose in the world around us. Section 4. Inspiration from the road artists and writers who found their muse in travel. Throughout history, artists and writers have found inspiration and meaning in their travels. Think of Ernest Hemingway, who found inspiration in the bullfights of Spain and the cafes of Paris. Consider Georgia O'Keeffe, who captured the stark beauty of the American Southwest on canvas. These artists, and countless others, demonstrate the transformative power of travel to ignite creativity and shape perspectives. Their journeys remind us that travel can be a powerful catalyst for personal and artistic growth. It can inspire us to see the world with fresh eyes, to connect with our own creativity, and to express ourselves in new and meaningful ways. By immersing ourselves in different cultures and landscapes, we open ourselves to new possibilities and unlock hidden depths within ourselves. Section 5. Embracing the unexpected. Turning travel frustrations into opportunities for growth. Travel, of course, is not without its frustrations. Delayed flights, language barriers, and cultural misunderstandings can test our patience. But even these challenges can be opportunities for growth. Imagine missing a train in a foreign country. Instead of panicking, take a deep breath and embrace the unexpected detour. This is a chance to practice flexibility, resourcefulness, and perhaps even a bit of humor. These moments, though frustrating, can teach us valuable lessons about ourselves and the world around us. They remind us that life, like travel, is unpredictable. By embracing the unexpected, we cultivate resilience, adaptability, and a greater appreciation for the journey itself. In the words of the Dalai Lama, remember that sometimes not getting what you want is a wonderful stroke of luck.